to random docks. Let's go. Left leads to the steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. We're always happy to help. There's nothing left to unwrap. These new... Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Let's go to the big bridge. Right leads to random docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Super! That's perfect! We're always happy to help. You've opened all the toys in this box, but there are still lots of things to win in other boxes. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Where to now? Left leads to... Next stop, Kidmouse Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Great! That's perfect. We all love your train set. There's nothing left to unwrap, but these new packs are full of new toys to open. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to the rolling bridge. The rolling bridge is just there. Right leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left. Super! Excellent! We all love your train set.